First, the top news headlines. Mass sit-in protest held at Jantar Mantar demanding unity of Manipur. Cookie militants torch MLA Ranjit house at Sero. Many vehicles parked near the house turned into ashes. Arred people of Sugnu and Sero destroyed UKLF Nazret camp. And curfew relaxed for Imphal East, West and Bishnupur till 5 p.m. today. A very good evening. You're watching ELITETV English News and this is your host Heeyai. Before giving you the news, we request you to follow the SOP given by the government, wear face masks when out in public, wash your hands regularly and maintain a minimum of 6 feet between one person and another. ELITETV also requests you to get vaccinated in time to protect ourselves from this virus and play a part in the fight against COVID-19. And now let's see the news in details. Mass sit-in protest held at Jantar Mantar today. Large number of people took part in the protest. Many distinguished persons took part in the protest too. Placards with different slogans were displayed by the protesters. Many distinguished persons expressed their opinions on the protest.
I was really happy that Manipur has been developing and a lot of appreciations came from across the country and suddenly all these things happened. What we demand from our side is for us and what you demand from your side is for yours. That's the difference. It's we and that's I for yourself. That's the difference between your community and our community. When we say peace, it includes all of you. It's just not about my taste. It includes every community saying in the state that we all should protect our integrity of the state. What's the fault in that? What's wrong in that? To protect our own integrity, saying that we all should stay together. You want separate, that's your fault. But we are never against till now. We still welcome you, we love you. And that's our message to all of you. We should bring back the peace. We should bring back what we were before. The diversity of our culture, the beautiful state of Manipur should shine back again. Thank you.
So, from my mouth, I cannot say anything, but let the musical instrument of bamboo speak the truth. And this musical piece is to dedicate those who are the departed soul for the country. So let me blow my flute and you connect and you understand yourself. It is my appeal, it is my request. Thank you so much for your solidarity. God bless you. Let us.
This is a very unique place of the country
Jantar Mantar, where we can open our hearts, we can tell our grievances. And I want to tell to the media to look at the faces of these innocent people. They are ambassadors of peace. They have come all the way from India, so many places, 1%, 2%, 3%, to represent, to open our hearts. So they are all ambassadors of peace. They are Indian. They want peace in Manipur. They love Manipur. They love India, and they want the integrity. Manipur, Imana, Jai Manipur, Imana, Jai Hind, Jai.
Why is the government not able to demarcate our border with appropriate fence like that of Pakistan and India border? Second, free movement resume no more that our tribe living along the border to travel 16 kilometers across either side without visa. Are these regime properly regulated? No. Third point, India declares zero tolerance to terrorism, but terrorism is being carried out in Manipur. Why so is not?
Kuki militants attacking the innocent people is still continuing in Manipur. Kuki militants with sophisticated weapons burned the house of MLA K. Ranjit at Sero. According to a reliable source, the Kuki militants, about 20 in numbers, came down and opened fire at Sero. Later, the militants torched the house of MLA Ranjit at Sero. Vehicles parked by the villagers at his complex, thinking that it will be safe for them, were also burned into ashes. Additional forces have been reinforced at the spot. No report of casualties till now. While in breaking news, after made of the incident of burning house, MLA Ranjit, the irate people Sugnu and Sero stormed the Nazareth camp of UKLF, just 2 kilometers from Sugnu, was destroyed and burned. According to a reliable source, an ID card of Myanmar national was found from the camp. MLA of Thangmaibal Assembly Constituency, KH Kisan, today appealed to all the private and government hospitals to provide free treatment to any injured person in the present violence. He said this during a press meet held at his residence at Koyatong. He further said he had sent request letter to all the hospitals in his Thangmaibal Assembly Constituency and asking to reply within 3 days. He also appeals the MLAs to take back their people, those who are staying at relief camps, and take care of them. For his constituency, whomsoever injured or anything happened, he will take care of them, he added.
Akoi loinamak masi daita lawwa darkar lei aina honorable CM dasu sarkar paibudi yauri ne dusu mayam pulakta adum koi appeal tawjage akoi gi singi oina constitution leiriba constitution kunsida local air fund che crore mom hena piraga koi singda thabak ton bagi hena sakona thabak ton bagi adugum wakhallol singmi nungsi wakhallol si leibiri bani na hojiksi awa taram namsidadi ko additional MLA singida su lak yang mutu su around 2 crore musi taruga khara mayam yenaraga su akoi hojikta asu open leiriba awana tar se masimtang ai thukbiu haiduna ai mayam sidaita khutang dai hai thamjari aduga akoi hojiksi mayam tangai fadrisi relief camp da leiri singse akoi na camp kui lehendoino makoi dan leiriba thajabo mangisi camp lehendoino makoi masi singse akoi yam kupna naina batraka lei tangai fadradi rules and procedure and conduct of business yauri bani akoi circuit assembly ma phombo akoi tarka leira akoi si naina bai tare masi thama paisala bo akoi ngamde si kari gino si naina raga akoi khanbagi matam yaure rumor se makal gi rumor su sandoktana akoi amaga se thajabo mangna handana akoi amaga se khana hanabasu yam tholakpa lei bai tare kaim tawjedaba group amasu fruit amasu chenana ba honaba mara lejedaba mayam amasu bunana ba honaba masi mayam sima yamna akoi naina ba traka lei.
MPCC President Kesam Megachandra said if there were another strong government instead of said double-engined or BJP-led government, there may not be such violence between two communities. He said this during a press meet held at Congress Bhavan today. He further stated that double-engined government is just a namesake government, and because of said double-engined government, many lost his life and houses. Megachandra also said Union Home Minister Amit Shah promised to bring back peace and normalcy in Manipur. Unfortunately, all this statement goes in vain, and violence and unwanted incidents increase day by day. He further stated that there is no cooperation between state force and central force, which leads to create more issues. Why there is two security forces in Hills and Valley by Union Home Minister. K. Megachandra drew the attention of the government to end the clash between two communities and to bring back peace and normalcy.
Company Mari PBU hydro demand to like basic already later. Aduga basic su later, Aduga 4 company PU hydro labs, Tang Mari Degi, Kuldev Singh da, Sutos da, even the Chief Minister of Manipur. This is a Tang Mari Degi, 4 company PU hydro labs. Masi Hapta Ani Muglerkan the company Mukharaki, Tang Mari Degi Herakwajina. Adegi again Amuk Hapta Amuk Tondar Hakan the company Ani. My daughter Laki, Yumzi, listening the Sakibs, Machina, state government negligence, Adagi central government Ladiba, paramilitary forces, Assam Rifle Force Mayams, Masisi, coordination Taudaga, Masigi, Sugumba violence, Nakta Basina, Masi, Ama Oil Air. Aduna the violence, right after the visit of Amit Shah had Takiba Matu Digi, no make up a machine. Hengale, cross firing, Hengale, Mishibu Hengale, Yumai Chakoju Hengale. Aduna Masi, Ladiba, Akogi, Hosixisum, Akogi periphery area, the cross firing, Mai Chakwa, Yum Mai Chakose, Masidegi, Padrasingi, ground reality, Mayamsisum Tulebise. Central ki force na group amada Tungabra. Aduga state ki force na group am the Tunga Masi, Masi Singi, Hena, violence Hengalabra, Haiwa Pamsisu, Black Pocum Tore. Adunati. India government masidi control tauge hairabadi masidi koi hanasu haijaki baduni masidi hapta amada loisenba yaba potni hapta amada loisenba yaba potse hojik se like for example sugru adagi dolai thabi adagi torong laubi hariba jaga sing je central ki force ka state force ka combine targo chal kan da hekta loisenba yaba potne ceasefire hekta laubo yai da ya ta basing do Madu Hazana action Chatharakanda, Padrasing Shondaba, Yunkai may Tandaba Yaba Portamane.
A blood donation camp was held at Reims, organized jointly by FISOC, United Labour Organization Ulum, Khalai Shilub Kasilt and Kanglai Pana in order to help those who were injured in the clash between two communities from last 3rd of May. Speaking to media person, convener of Cape Cone, Kaithelakpam London said the clash is not between Meiteis and Cookies. It is between the immigrant who allegedly entered Manipur from Burma. He further stated to the people of Manipur will try to bring peace and normalcy in the state.
Capicon member Kunmangarom, Rims Giblet Benga, Tanarakanda. Hariba, Kogi, Masing Simak, Lojing Loyada, Kogi, Lepakasi, Kanabidamukta Lanting Riba, Kogi, Kunjasing, and Lugamarina set forcing the Riba, Lanting Asida, Sokana Tarabasing, Asigamakta, Equina, Equigi Ina, Nakogi Tonani Heba, Tim Masida, Mang Tazarakanda, Equina blood donation Tobagi, Gamasi, Satizabani, Hariba, EP Bagi. Tabak asik kakana na ikoy na tuwan ba ikoy member sing na so tuwan mapapum sing da relief sing na mateng pang ba aduga top pa ikoy gi lan asida ikoy na mai pak tabi adi haibagi pandam da ikoy so lopam tok pa thokdang to sapsana ikoy gi mai kai gi lori aduga ngasi ikoy na dan tawjari ba pijari ba I asisu mapam sana ikoy na ngasi sok la awana taraba aduga sok pal lab sing da mapam sana yohonduna ikoy gi leipak ase kannabagi damakta aso thokdang do ikoy gi mai kai dagi yazari aduga Hauzik Mayamna so Hainaba, Masi Toibase, Cookie Msung Maitegi, Mark talk by Irang, Hana, Lona Yvase, a quick Magati, Masi Cookie Msung Maiti Kaktagi Mark the talk, Lan Nati Hanaloe, Masi Tangai Padana Quigi, puarigi Manipur gi puari da achuba dakpham am leiragadaba aduga masina aikoina karigumba lan asina aikoigi aranba mayonda mai pakib taragade aikoigi Manipur khunai ase amuk hanna hogat pangam loi phibam amda leirakadaba manam orakanda Manipur da khundamneriba aikoigi furuk khuding magna masi amada misang changbiyo haiba nattabida aikoina lan asigi mayon asi chumna pubiduna muktang kanthabirakanda aikoigi masi khunai asi kannabgidamakta lup furuk khuding magna thodang yamina seduna capicon gi makai tekso afin tawjari
NEET UG exam will be held on June 6 at different 22 centers. This was started by the Deputy Commissioner of Imphal, K.H. Kiran Kumar, in a press meet held at the courtroom of DC complex Lamphilpa yesterday. The DC further said there will be 12 centers at Imphal West, while 10 centers in Imphal East. Examination will be started from 12 noon and end at 3:20 p.m., he added.
Kyaje koi law and order situation jigi yenga kanda parikhaje pung ani nga khalalaga baro dagi hauraga pung ahumga minute kun bauda parikhaje tawgani karigino ha kana parikhaje loira kanda angang singsi mayumda ahalama jinga hanmada khudong chananaba parikhagi center singsida pung baro da haujagada oiragasu angang singje pung mapan gi maya dagi lakwa darka tai aduga magi tawpham thokpa che changi karigi mayam tawro matungda pung 13 ga makhaida akoi get loan gani akoi emit ka ki matang da mu angang sin yam tuina hangi emit ka si hana mamangi parikha gi da akoi gi thagar khiba magi emit ka leibase masi gi emit ka si adum season ba yai kari gumba Manipur da thaga da oiragadi Manipur dagi center on gi haibu du anobo emit ka ama chingda jaba tare mafam ahong bu du loina na aduga Manipur da thaga da mayam si gi di hana gi ari ba emit ka season raga adum tawba yai kari gumba chingda hogdraba Sisu ni sandi ketanda Amrita ki office ta chalaga chingdabi ba yai DC office sing da chalaga chingdabi ba yai aduga Imphal West ta atoba district ki werga ju swaida laibo werga adu ju dum chingdabi ba yai ba kari gumba angang sing jina khudong cha daba leire paikha gi center sida koi laaga logjage emika singse hairaga ju angang jinra hana koi da pau pibiraga di namthok piraga gate ta ready torga thambidoine angang sing jigi tawbotabu gate ti pung 13 ga makhai da longa da mina adugi mamangda che jingbo thidok sizin tawbogi nganna yorpa da ka tai angang sing ji parikha gi center kungani thoise masi koi center amakhak mafam honge center kungani thoisida center tarukta akoi gi CAPF ki sibai le handa ki law and order jiga mari na sibai leijaraga su akoi leiriba sibai jing akoina request tawre moina parikha tawdringi gi mamangda ka singe takthoga lampak ta boiro nakanda bu thaidoga boiro mafam manga amadi sinba yarane ba lamlong higher secondary da taramba angang heise Anand Singh higher secondary da pulap oina thangane ba lamlong da hana center taramadi emikar hanagi chingthokpa matamda lamlong ijaraga su Anand Singh higher secondary chalaga lamlong gi oja gaiduna adum singadori ne ba Anand Singh higher secondary hana di maje center oidaba sigi ahongwa makhak lei angang jing gi chatpa matamda admit card pairi bachina adum curfew pass ne adum lobo yare curfew kai guma khuda ka thingjan graga su curfew pass ne lobi ba yare parikha sinbada mari leinari ba akoi gi oja sing akoi conduct of the changi myam je moi gi duty card kumba I card kuma dum pairaga adum curfew pass ne dum lobi ba yare parikha ge numit sida akoi na request awning bana yari gai tang taruk ki parikha sida irang Laibidragadi numitse angang singju ingna tamna parikha thaba darka tai angang ingna tension yamna karagadi parikha da mark yam phangoi doini akoi angang sing mark yam phangdadana parikha selection da khanbada waraka dorine ba aduna mayamna tang taruki lepak popu numitta tongan ba district tagi lakadori ba angang singsi support obiu habaduma thamjage
Curfew has been relaxed from 5 am to 5 pm in Imphal East, West and Bishnupur district. Today, set separate orders of district magistrates. Markets and shops are opened. People were seen rushing to the markets and shops to buy essential items. Normal traffic was observed on the roads. Now let's take a short commercial break. Do stay tuned for more updates.
Babina Diagnostics Manipur da ihan hanba oina ingsok lising amaga chamapal marifuhum doida linkhatki Masina, awang nongpok Bharata yamna pak chawna miyoybagi ana layengda darkar lakpa makhal kayagi changyengsing pangthoi. Mayamdugi marakta amatang pallabada radiological investigations su mai pakna pangthokli. Wana honajaba miyoybagi sebani khana angamba thakta laibak thiraba ana ayek nanglaba kayagi mating pangjaba si sakhang biduna awang nongpokta ihan hanba oina NABL gi accreditation pibirakhi. Miyam gi pothafam ngainafam testofam report lawfam gi awaba du kokhanduna changfam hangfam pothafam gari parking cafeteria yauna marang kaina leizaraba unit ama oina miyam gi seba tawjari. Unit asida thamjariba matamgi darkar oirakpa equipment singdi 1.5 Tesla MRI, 128 slice CT scanner, mammography, DEXA scanner, digital X-ray, loinana hematology, clinical chemistry, amadi clinical pathology, immunology, microbiology, molecular biology, amasung immunohistochemistry studies ki masing yamlaba automated analyzers.
Welcome you all to UNACO College, Kongman, Imphal East, an exclusive co-educational college offering both BA and BAc courses. UNACO College will be affiliated to Manipur University, Kanchipur. First academic session will begin in July 2023. Hurry up! Registrations and admissions open for 2023-24 academic session.
SS Career Solution na chahi tara hena hunai sida leiriba naharol singbu achumba sinfam ama khangjanabagi khudong chaba du mapung fana pinabagi damak specialized oiraba team kaya semduna angang singbu nauringai dagi khoiga chanaba sinfam gi maramda singna mari makhong taktuna afaba khunai ama oiraknaba honaduna ngasi fawbala Career Solution amagi chap chana guidance thiba haibasi arriba dinate adubu ipurgedi thoina nungsa thiningai oitre SS Career Solution na akaknaba plan amadi expertise singa putsinduna sacha khaknatana community level dagi hauraga adom gi paidagi chanaba sinfamadu mai pakna chatnanaba same sagani aikhuigi mamal yamlaba naha singbu tungge chuwalambe lamada lamjing haurasi SS Career Solution na piriba khudong chaba singasi khopna khanta haurasi
Welcome back, and let's see the further details. A US school system shoot Meta, Google, Snapchat and TikTok for allegedly contributing to a mental health crisis among students. It claimed the addictive social media products have rewired the way children think, feel and behave. It said the platform encouraged negative social comparisons. The lawsuit also cited dopamine triggering rewards on the apps such as TikTok's For You page. Apple denied Russia's claim of colluding with a U.S. intelligence agency to hack several iPhones, including devices belonging to Russian nationals and foreign diplomats based in Russia. It said, "We never work with any government to insert a backdoor into any Apple product." Russian agency FSB had said the alleged spying operation affected diplomats from Israel, Syria, China and NATO countries. Reacting to Odisha triple train collision, AAP leader Sanjay Singh said that Centre is not upgrading the railway tracks and is running high-speed trains like Vande Bharat on them just to get praised by people. Where was the Kawach Kagera they talked about? There should be an anti-collision system at places where there are high chances of accidents, he added. Rainfall in the United States, Texas prompted severe flooding, causing mudslides, rockfalls and several road closures. A video has surfaced online in which a truck and some other vehicles can be seen partially submerging in surging floodwater as heavy rainfall continued. The National Weather Service had issued flooding alert throughout the southern U.S. state of Texas on Thursday. US President Joe Biden said he is heartbroken by the tragic news of the deadly train crash in India that has killed 288 people. In a statement, Biden wrote, "Our prayers go out to those who have lost loved ones and the many who suffered injuries in this terrible incident." He added, "People across America mourn alongside the people of India." A test which is being trialed by researchers at the University of Oxford that can detect over 50 different types of cancer could speed up diagnosis, a new study has suggested. It was able to detect signs of cancer in 323 patients out of 6,238 patients with suspected symptoms in the UK. About 244 patients were subsequently diagnosed with cancer. NASA is testing a technology called Gaussian GNSS Upper Atmospheric Real-Time Disaster Information and Alert Network to predict tsunamis by monitoring disturbances in the Earth's upper atmosphere. Gaussian uses data from GPS and other satellites to detect real-time positional accuracy. It's being tested in the Ring of Fire, a geologically active region in Pacific Ocean known for several tsunamis. A woman from the United States who was in a rehab center in Mexico was killed and put in a blender by the owners. The 35-year-old woman had a violent episode due to withdrawal symptoms and allegedly attacked the center owners. In retaliation, the owners reportedly beat her to death and dismembered her body in an attempt to hide it. Bharti Airtel, Amazon and Elon Musk's Starlink have told the Telecom Regulatory Authority of India that spectrum for satellite communication services should be allocated via administrative methods rather than auctioned. Auctioning the spectrum and creating exclusiveness will create barriers for competition, Airtel said. However, Reliance Jio and Vodafone Idea have supported the auction mode. For ELITETV News Channel, contact to the email address info@elitetv.in or 9402890982 and subscribe to ELITETV YouTube channel or follow on Facebook page, Instagram and Twitter for more information about the channel. Before we close, let's see the top news headlines once again. Mass sit-in protest held at Jantar Mantar demanding unity of Manipur. Kuki militants torched MLA Ranjit house at Serong. Many vehicles parked near the house turned into ashes. Irate people of Sugnu and Serong destroyed UKLF Nazareth camp. And curfew relaxed for Imphal East, West and Bishnupur till 5 p.m. today. That's all for the moment. Thank you very much for joining us and keep watching ELITETV English News. Till then, take care, stay safe and good night.